This method can work on Hisense u40, u50, u50 lite, and u40 lite, even M50 lite. So this method is only for learning purposes, guys. Do not use it on stolen phones. So let's get started with the process now. Yeah, the first thing that we are going to do is to check whether the phone is fully locked. You can see that the internet is connected and there's a small lock up there. So let's go to skip. So just wait, because we can go to see how the phone is locked. So setup is new. Before we troubleshoot, we must fully understand that the phone is locked. So let me try in 111 to see. Wrong pattern. 1 2 3 4. Still wrong pin. So this means that the phone is locked and we don't know the pin. So let's go to putting in the Google account instead, to see if we will get a skip or any other way to skip this Google account. So you can see that the phone is locked. So let me try to press skip or next. It doesn't want, and we can see that we don't have a skip button. So let's go back and try to troubleshoot this phone. Now let's tap on the emergency button, then double tap on the top right there, then press the pen icon. From here, just press the add contacts. So we can see we don't have the contacts in here because there is no SIM card. We can see that there is no internet, network connection on top there. So let's go back and let's try to press these three dots if we can get feedback. And yeah, because we can see it's not there. So let's go back again and try another way. So this way we must take one of these languages down here, then I press that one. So let's go to start. Skip. This method, I'm doing it to add another keyboard. So I must press on there, add another Wi-Fi. Alright, go. Then I'll press on the space bar, then tap on the down button there, the green one, then press the green one again, so, or the blue one, so now take any with an arrow. Then you can see that we don't have another keyboard here. Let's go back, press the first one. So this is another keyboard, so I must add it. All right, you can see that it's highlighted. Then we go back to English or any language that you understand. It doesn't mean that you can only use English. Any other language that you can read. So let's start and go into more details then. So let's go back again. All right, see all Wi-Fi networks, then add new network, then long press the spacebar. You can see that we have a keyboard which is in another language, but everything is written in English. So now let's take any other with a arrow. So 3 buttons, help and feedback. Then wait for the screen that will come. You can choose any from the list here. It doesn't matter which one you take. For me, I'm taking the setup keyboard. Then press the share icon and then press on the Google Go. All right, from here you use without Google account, then done. Here comes a very big problem that is troubling people from 2026. So you can see that it says update Google Go. Here is the method that you can skip this problem. I've made it easier for you. Press this one, then press the 3 lines on the left corner there, then go down to privacy, terms of service, all right, press on it, then these 3 dots here again, open in the browser. So this will automatically open the Chrome, then accept and continue. Then from here it will be very easy for you to type in the Google account by parse website. tap this search bar, then type in VN-ROM or any other website that you know that will remove Google account, but for me I'm using VN-ROM. Alright, then click across here, then tap the first one, VN-ROM bypass Google account 2026. Alright, then go down where you can see open screen smart lock. Open, then here it will prompt you to put in any security lock that you want. For me, I'm choosing the pattern because the phone is already having the pin. Now I'm using the pattern to make it easy, so I can put in a Z pattern. You can put any that you like, even N, F, or any. Then confirm. Here's some in. Got it. Alright, now we are done with this one, so we must go back. We must go back to the previous first screen which says hello or welcome. So for this screen, you can either restart your phone or come back to this first screen, but I recommend restarting. For me, I did not restart, but yeah, just try to restart. Then set up as new. Checking information. You see, there's a pattern now. It was previously a pin, but now a pattern. Let's try to put in the pattern that I created. Boom, it's working. So just keep an eye on the lock up there, because when I press skip, you'll see that it will disappear, which means that the phone is unlocked. So you can see a skip button is here now. I can press on it and you will see the lock will disappear. Press on the skip again, boom, the lock is gone. So now just follow the on-screen instructions. Accept, no thanks, add the finishing touches. Alright, and make sure that you don't forget the pattern that you put on again in order to make it very easy. Alright, this is the last agree, then allow. Alright, you can see that the phone is open, so please guys, subscribe and like. Thanks.